Hi, and welcome back to another day of e-learning, kids. So for today, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the classwork tab. And for starters, you can continue working on your body systems note sheet using the human body systems presentation. If you finish that, we are going to be beginning rat packet number 1. So where you'll need to start is you will see a document here called Primo Remote Learning Rat Packet number 1. If you click on it, you should each have a copy of this. So we're starting with taxonomy, talking about the classification of the rat. So where it actually falls in, the kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, it is species Rattus. So this first part is it starts with a table. So it says rats are approximately 5,700 species of mammals on Earth, all falling under class Mammalia. Read the provided document attached to this assignment that discusses the characteristics that all mammals have. So where that reading is right here. It's short. Not too long. So if you read through that, you should be able to fill out all of this. So what primates and rodents have in common are going to go in this middle column here. Whatever differences or unique characteristics that they have, they're going to each go in their own column. That's exactly what it says in the directions up here. So all you're going to do at first is you're going to just observe the characteristics of the rat. Now, obviously, the characteristics of the rat would have looked a little different if we had different ones in person. But as of right now, we don't have that luxury. So what you're going to do is you can do a couple things. You can either use the virtual rat dissection here, which we are going to be going back to, and you can observe the external characteristics here, okay? Or you can use this link that shows the external characteristics of the rat. Either one works, whatever you want to do. So this should not take very long, so that's why I've combined the note sheet assignment and the rat packet 1 for today and tomorrow. So these will be 2 days where you will be able to work on these assignments. Regardless, this packet I will be grading on Thursday, so please make sure that you are keeping up with that. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know, and have a good day.